Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through Neku app, which is an OC character creator. I'm going to walk you through how to use it. Let's get started. Neku app is designed to help you create unique and personalized cartoon avatars. Neku app is designed to help you create unique and personalized cartoon avatars. Now let's look at general guide on how to use it. The first thing you need to do is download and install it. So find the app, search for Neku in your device app store. So use the app store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. After downloading it, after finding the app, next click on download or install. Tap on it to download and install the app on your device. Next, you create an account, but this is optional. So if you want to create an account, once installed, open the Neku app. You'll be prompted to create an account. This can help you save your creations and access them later. It's optional, it's not compulsory. Next, choose a base. Select a basic template or start with a blank canvas. Then adjust the facial features like the eyes, nose, mouth, eyebrows, and skin tone of your avatar. Choose from a variety of hairstyles, colors, and accessories for the hair, and dress up your avatar with different outfits, accessories, and shoes until you get the one you prefer. Select a background that complements your avatar style. This app likely offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to create truly unique avatars. Please experiment with the filters and effects to add special touches to your creations. And once you're through, save your completed avatars to your device's gallery, share them on social media platforms or with your friends. Let me give you some tips for using Neku. Do not be afraid to experiment with different combinations of features to see what looks best. Always save your progress frequently, especially when working on complex designs. If the app has a community feature, connect with other users and share your creations. By following these steps and exploring the app's features, you can create unique and personalized cartoon avatars using the Neku app. Note: the specific features and functionality of the Neku app may vary depending on the app's version and updates, so always refer to the app's in-app instruction for the most accurate and up-to-date information. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.